Hi, welcome back. So in this video, I'll show you how you can create this isometric kind of look for your designs in CorelDraw, a designing program. So what I mean by isometric is that here's a hexagon. So technically isometric, hold on. Isometric stands for a camera look that makes a 2D object looks 3D, but the size of this cube, for example, that has this isometric look will have the same sides. So there's this viewing line, and then a 30-degree angle is created from the viewing line here, and then it looks to 3D now. So this is the isometric look that we are aiming for. So we make it like this. We trace it by using the freehand tool, just like this, and then you can simply rotate it and drag the anchor point just like so. Why 120? Because yeah, I mean, when you 120 plus 30 plus 30 equals 180 degree of straight line produced by the, I mean, in the, viewing line, just like that. And then you can rotate it just like this until it's 240. That's the double of, no, that's the double of 120, 240, just like so. There are isometric kind of look is done. Now you can do some tricks actually by grouping the isometric cube, and then you copy it just like this, for example. Hold on, just like this. You can do some variations by simply tweaking the order of the cube, just like this. For example, I want to do an uppercase letter T, just like so. It may turn into this. Doesn't it look cool? And that's the basics of isometric design that you can use to enhance your design in CorelDraw. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.